In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use rectangular arrays in AutoCAD. We will walk through the essential steps so you can quickly create evenly spaced copies of your geometry in a clean grid, with clear control over how many copies you get and how far apart they are. To start, open the Rectangular Array tool. You can type ArrayRect in the command prompt and press Enter. Or click the Rectangular Array button on the Modify panel of the ribbon. Both methods take you to the same place and activate the array creation mode. Next, select the object or objects you want to array. This can be anything from a single block to multiple linework elements once your selection looks right. Press Enter. AutoCAD immediately places a default array in your drawing, usually a simple grid based on your original object. At the same time, a contextual array tab appears on the ribbon. This is your control center for fine-tuning what you see on screen. Begin with columns. Set the number of columns to control how many copies run horizontally, and set the column spacing to control the distance between them. Think of this spacing as the center-to-center distance from one item to the next. Use precise values here to match your design intent, whether you are aligning fixtures, tiles, or repeated components. As you adjust the numbers, watch the live preview update so you can confirm spacing and layout before committing. Move on to rows. Just like columns, specify the number of rows for the vertical count and the row spacing for the vertical distance between items. Keeping column and row distances consistent helps avoid overlaps and guarantees uniform results, but you can deliberately vary them when a design calls for it. If you are working in 3D, take advantage of levels. Set the number of levels to stack copies upward and define the spacing between those levels. This creates a three-dimensional grid along the z-axis. If your project is strictly 2D, you can leave levels at 1 and focus on the rows and columns. Once everything looks correct, finish the command. Click Close Array on the ribbon, or simply press Enter. Your rectangular array is now placed in the drawing with the settings you chose. The tool is designed to be clear and predictable, so the values you enter directly translate into evenly spaced, repeatable geometry that stays consistent across your project. That's it. Thanks for watching.